When it comes to IRS penalties, and it goes more than the IRS, to be honest with you, it comes to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Unit, Homeland Security, anti-money laundering. There's a lot of other organizations besides the IRS that can get involved in these types of penalties. It really comes to foreign reporting forms, whether it's a simple foreign bank account or two that you set up for whatever reason in another country, or whether it's something where you own part of an entity or a business or some kind of operation in a foreign country. And by the way, that might not be you own it directly. You can own it through a K-1, through a passive investment. So if you are required to file any of these reporting forms, just to name a few, you got FinCEN 114, 5471, 5472, 8938, 982, 960. There's probably at least 10 or 20 of them to start. But the penalties for not filing these forms on time start at $10,000 per form to $25,000 per form per year. So they can rack up pretty fast. So if you even think you have any type of foreign investment or think that you qualify to file any of these foreign forms, you definitely want to face it sooner than later. Just because you've missed a year or two, nothing to run away from, because then you're just going to pile it on, right? Back penalties, interest, all that stuff. If you really want to review these foreign situations sooner than later, so you can grasp it, and if you come to them before they come to you, a much greater chance of getting the penalties waived, right? So there's voluntary disclosure programs, things like that. Then again, you go to a CPA, an EA, a tax attorney that's done these voluntary disclosure programs before, so you can attack these things before they come to you and potentially ruin your life. Because again, another thing they can do is criminal jail time. They have the right to criminally prosecute taxpayers who have not filed these forms. And of course, that's the last thing we ever want to face and go through.